Look. What's that? Get it, Chubs! Oh.
Oh, don't do that to my mat. Little bugger.
Get it, Chubs!
It's a cute scarf.
Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! No, not my toe. Get this toy. Get it! You get sidetracked it very easily.
Did I get it yet?
Get it.
He likes the squeak.
What did that squeaky toy ever do to you? Oh, you're friends with it now? Look at the way you're sitting on my foot. What happens if it squeaks? Oh. Oh. Oh.
It's a different story when it squeaks.
Tell me a story, Chubbs. Why don't you like squeaky toys? Come on. Make it stop squeaking. Does it stop squeaking? What kind of noise is that? Ooh. Ooh. He doesn't like squeakies. Do you like this squeaky? Oh. Oh.
Beaver. Is that the whole video? You just showed me one. That one rolls.
Oh. No, no video. And he decides to eat.
Oh, he did a drink.